I'm Fred, and I'm going to be showing you how to do the brakes on a 1998 GMC Suburban 2500. Stay tuned. Okay, I've got the vehicle jacked up. First off, I'm going to remove our little plastic center cap. And these GM vehicles, they just have the little screw-on plastic caps. So I'm just using the electric impact just for time's sake, but it's not needed. You can do this by hand. Okay, just set that to the side. And there's our normal GM play in the front suspension there. Okay. I got our caliper bolts busted loose here. And they turned out to be a 3/8 inch Allen head. Okay, got our bolts backed off and the caliper is ready to slide out here. Okay. These ones pop in like so. Just take your pry bar, stick it behind it. Okay. This one was getting pretty thin. And then this inner one, it was plumb wore out. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your old pad back. You're going to take yourself a C-clamp. Take yourself a C-clamp and put it up around the caliper and tighten it down. And it'll push that caliper back up in there so you can put your new pads on. But you want to do this with the old pad because it will ruin a pad. As you tighten up this C-clamp, you're just pushing that caliper piston back up in the caliper. Okay, now it's all the way in. Just back your clamp off. Okay. Take your old pad. Get your new pad, compare it to the old one. Push it down on there. Okay, clean up on that caliper. Now get your new inner one, compare it. Everything looks good. Okay, it ended up just be our sliders stuck. I took a big pair of channel locks and just started them back in and shoved them back up in the caliper. Okay, just torque them down good by hand. And same thing with the upper. Okay, we're back together here. Now this is a fire department vehicle, and they didn't want to put new rotors on, so we're just rolling with the old. But okay, I got the other side done. Now what you want to do is you want to come in the vehicle and fire it off. You want to pump the brakes. Okay, but now that we're finished with this job, I will catch you on the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe.